Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Now, in this day, we discuss about three major kinds of knowledge. There are natural sciences, social sciences, and humanities. We will discuss about these three major kinds of knowledge. In this order, first we will discuss about natural science, then social sciences, then humanities. Then we will discuss about differences between social sciences and humanities. In this order, we will discuss first about what is natural sciences. Then, what is natural sciences? The branch of knowledge that deals with the study of physical world. Uh, that deals with study of physical world. Then, natural science will deals about a physical world. There are three main branches of science: physical science, earth science, and life science. But while we understand the main three branches of these natural sciences, we will be able to know what is natural sciences. This was popularized after 17th century. Then we can discuss about second one, that is social sciences. The social sciences means the scientific study of human society and social relationship and human behavior. First, we said we will discuss about what is difference between social sciences and humanities. Then we have to find out. We have to know accurately the definition of social science. The scientific study of human society. Social science is the about human society and social relationship and human behavior. And the study of social science is about social relationship and human behavior. The major social science are anthropology, archaeology. That means it's major knowledge, and the major types of social science are anthropology, archaeology, economics, geography, history, law, linguistics, politics, psychology, and sociology. This was emerged only on the cusp of 19th century. Cusp of means the last time, the end of 20th century. Then the third one is humanities. Humanities are studies about human culture, such as literature, philosophy, and history. Uh, this is a human oriented human oriented studies. Humanities human oriented studies, but social science studies about human relationship, human studies about human behavior and social relationship. Branches of the humanities include law, languages, philosophy, religion and mythology, international relations, gender and women studies, multicultural and regional studies, popular culture and art and music. This was popularized by 19th century. Humanities popularized by 19th century. After the emergence of humanities, social science was emerged in the cusp of in the last time of 20th century. Then there are some differences. One of the major differences between social sciences and humanities is that humanities involve a more critical and analytical approach. Humanities involve a more critical and analytical approach, but social science deal with a more scientific approach. Then there will be a code of law, a type of law to approach a study in the social science, but there is not this type of code of law in the humanities. Humanities studies as they wish, but social science there will be that is a scientific approach. Then there will be a code of law. As there is a scientific approach, the social science is a scientific approach. Because of it is considered to be a branch of study in between humanities and natural sciences. Then social science is considered a study between humanities and natural sciences because it is approach with more scientific approach. It deal with more scientific approach. And then meanwhile humanities are branch of science that deals with the heritage and question what makes us human. Then what we said in that will include philosophy and mythology, religion studies will include humanities, not social sciences. Social science will deal with kinship, family, other thing, such as thing, sociology and such as thing. But humanities will deal about the philosophy and such as thing what makes us a human. This is the major differences between humanities and social sciences. Then these three are major kinds of social science, three major kinds of knowledge. We conclude our video. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.